I know. I think we'll be okay if we make it to the top of the hill. So we're going to stay in Petco. I'm actually not even wanting to get out of the car. It's raining that hard, but we got to get them some medicine.
What's the rubber thing for?
That's for me to do exercises from that crash. You tie it to your feet. That kind of hurts really bad.
Oh, because it's rubber?
Well, no, because it stretches the muscles really, really hard and hurts really bad. Wow. Good thing we live on Vienna Crest.
And that's at the top. Well,
Almost
the top.
That's right. Okay, it's starting to lighten up. We'll be okay now. That's not a storm, it's a flash flood.
What's a flash flood?
That's when it like floods in just a couple minutes.
Because a storm will last for hours, sometimes all night.
That's right.
But flash flood only lasts like a couple minutes.
Remember the first time I think you heard lightning? We were at our old house and there was some lightning and Chase was over and I said, honey, run in the house, run in the house. Do you remember that?
Yeah, and Chase ran in the house.
Yep.
Because there's lightning.
Yep. That's been a long time.
I still remember.
I know you do. You're good at that. Is that Petco?
Yeah, it's Petco. And the big red block letters.
Okay. Luckily us, we made it.